Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the fog weather event in Fisch. So in this latest update, Fisch has replaced the old cloud weather with a brand new fog weather event. And during this event, you will get a luck boost that will giving you a better chance of catching rare fish. And if you don't want to wait for fog to appear naturally, here's the fastest way to join it. First, just tap on the settings, and then after that, just go to server browser, this one, and then just simply tap fog like this. And then in here, you will see the list of servers that currently have the fog weather active. This one like this, it marked with the cloud icon like this, like just the cloud weather before. And then after that, just simply join of those server, and you will immediately be able to enjoy the luck bonus from the new weather event. Just tap on join server. And okay, that's all you need to do. It's the quickest way to take advantage of the new fog weather without waiting for it to appear in your current server. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.